So look, we have some coconut water, frozen coconut water. Oh, he just got his hair done, you guys. This is the new hairstyle. So it looks nice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is Thanksgiving. I'm in Jamaica for Thanksgiving now. So I wanted to eat something that's like kind of like Thanksgiving food, but it looks like we're gonna do something kind of similar. There's gonna be pumpkin with so that's gonna be good. Okay, guys. Guys, it's Thanksgiving, so this is the food we're gonna have, and actually this is a Thanksgiving food, pumpkin. Everything else is gonna be a little different. Hi. So we're gonna make dasheen, pumpkin, Irish, cabbage, some different stuff. You guys are gonna see super healthy meal. Oh, no fresh scallion apparently. There's already some food boiling. So what's in the pot?
Dasheen in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yam.
Okay.
Put in more yam. So we're gonna have pumpkin dasheen.
I was just telling Biko that everyone eats turkey on Thanksgiving in America. And you can comment what's your favorite Thanksgiving food. Actually going to in a little bit FaceTime with my dad and like all my cousins and grandparents and aunts and uncles so I can see them. But yeah, I think this might be the first Thanksgiving I've been out of the US for. Not sure. But anyway, we're gonna cook some food and have a little Thanksgiving here, and let me show you guys the nature. It's been raining all day, but it's a little bit better now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna be posting way more consistently now, so sorry about that, you guys. But anyway, let me show you the food. Guys, so some plantain is gonna boil too, and here's the pumpkin like I was telling you guys. Alright guys, everything's boiling right now. Actually forgot it was even Thanksgiving today, and then my family was texting me, so I realized. But yeah, when I'm here I feel like I'm not like paying attention as much to like holidays and stuff, or even when people are saying like happy holidays because Christmas is coming too, I like wasn't even thinking about that. So yeah, you guys, here's the cabbage now. This I'm gonna watch to learn how to make, guys, because I tried to make this cabbage the other day. Apparently to steam the cabbage you can't add seasoning or it won't steam. So you have to put the vegetables in, then the seasoning, then put the cabbage and cover the pot, right, with water, and then it will steam.
I put cabbage with everything in there.
Oh.
Look and you will see. Just look.
Alright, just look. Alright. He wants me to.
If you want to know something, you have to look. And that's how you learn. If you talk meanwhile and guess, you're not going to know. You have an idea, but when you look and see how it's done, you're going to learn.
Yeah, but sometimes if you don't check that what you're seeing is right, sometimes you look and you think something happens and you misunderstand.
Only if the things is really difficult, but like something like this now, me just look and me learn instant.
Sure. Alright, so he's putting the cabbage in the pot first. Actually, this is fully different than what I did, so I guess that's why. So
cabbage don't really need oil to cook.
Yeah, no, I didn't put oil. I put water.
No, you cook up the season first and that with the oil.
Oh. Oh.
You must cook up the season. I steam everything for steam.
So nothing else is in here other than cabbage, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, I have to pay attention to this. And
that's
here's
what you just say.
Pumpkin's in now. Was this a full pumpkin?
Mm-hmm. Piece.
Oh, piece of pumpkin. Did you ever have pumpkin pie? Alright, here's the carrot, you guys. And I was just saying that I feel like a perfect dessert, Thanksgiving dessert, would be the puddings that they have here. And certain gas stations even have it, or at restaurants they have it. But even when it's at the gas station, it's like fresh pudding that like someone cooks and brings it, and then they sell it there. So it's like good food. But yeah, they have like the coconut one. Oh, that has the here's sweet pepper.
Or bell pepper.
Bell pepper. True. Bell pepper?
A Jamaica, you can learn about sweet pepper and bell pepper, you know.
I know. Yeah, that's why I was laughing, because I said sweet pepper for you and then you put bell pepper for me. Guys, we actually do that a lot. Like, when we have different words for something, I end up using his word and he ends up using my word, and then we still have it different. But like, oh, comment down below if any of you guys call like the remote for the TV, if any of you guys call it clicker. Because I always call it clicker, and usually people, the first time they hear that, they think it's funny. But that's like what my family called it. But yeah, we have a bunch of different words that we try and use each other's word. This looks good, you guys. All right, so to make the cabbage, you put all, this is what I'm learning. You put all the fresh seasonings and the cabbage in. Did the cabbage have to go on the bottom, or it could have gone, like it always has to go?
Cabbage have to cut up first.
Okay, so always do the cabbage first. Here's the garlic.
All of them things I just steam them, I go steam.
Mm-hmm.
Them I go steam cook.
Oh, that's what I did wrong. I fried the other... Oh, that's what you meant. I thought you meant the powdered seasoning wasn't supposed to fry. You meant like all the vegetables. Okay. Guys, here's the onion. And this is, it's almost 3 o'clock. I feel like this is the normal time people would be eating for Thanksgiving. Cooking. And this is gonna start cooking now too. Actually, lots of people now start to hate Christopher Columbus because they say that he stole indigenous land and all this stuff. It's true, but everyone does that. Like everyone stole someone's land at some point. Even Indians, even Native Americans, they steal each other's land. Oh, the powder seasoning's going now. This is the tomato basil seasoning. Here's coconut oil.
Alright, so people, step 1 when you're cooking cabbage, first thing you do, Sydney, watch a video the other day. I met the people and tell her how to cut up seasoning, put it in the pot and make it fry. And then you put in the cabbage. Madness. And I say you cook.
Yeah,
cabbage,
it didn't work.
You wash off the cabbage, wash off all of your seasoning them. You cut up the cabbage small or big or whichever way you like to cut it. Me prefer it small. Cut it up in the pan. Then you cut up your Irish. You cut up the sweet peppers. You cut up the carrot. You cut up garlic. Piece of tomato. If you have cucumber, you can put this in there too.
Oh, yeah, cucumber made it so good.
So when you do that now, you just dip a little tip of oil in it.
Okay.
So yeah, people, whenever you fry up the season before you put the cabbage, everything must into the pot one time and make it steam. Steam cabbage, you don't fry. Come over here and show them.
Yeah, guys.
So when you steam cabbage, you see how it look? You know,
Look
stick
really
onto
good.
the pan and look one way like it a suffer. You make it stay like that.
But I'm still...
Cook already, so you just pour in the mackerel.
Oh, I didn't know it was going in this.
Yeah, cabbage and mackerel. Something different.
Yeah, this is the first time having this together. Alright. It will be delicious. A little bit of water going into the mackerel. Oh, 2 cans of mackerel. And a little more water. Did you make this before?
Only for that.
Okay. Here's the cabbage, you guys. So look, you can see it steamed down and cooked down. And the mackerel's in it. I had no idea mackerel can go in this. So this is gonna be really good. A little bit of oil now. Some salt. Yeah, guys, so here it is. Here's some of the food on the plates. I smell the rain now, actually. Do you know the smell of rain? What? Guys, the rain smells good right now, and the food smells good. What's that, the yam? Or that's the plantain? Okay. plate, you guys. This is my Thanksgiving meal. It looks really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. And yeah, I hope you guys have a really good rest of your week. Oh, here's his plate of food too. So there's the two of ours together. Yeah, you guys. So look, we have some coconut water. Frozen coconut water. Oh, he just got his hair done, you guys. This is the new hairstyle. So it looks nice. And here's some coconut water. It's super icy. Alright guys, so that'll be nice with the food. Like that? Look at the eyes in your shirt.